Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Messenger's active status and appear offline. Just watch this video till the end. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Turning off your Messenger active status allows you to remain online on Facebook without letting your friends and contacts see that you're actively using Messenger. When you turn off your Messenger active status, your active status is no longer visible to your friends and contacts. This means that they will not be able to see whether you're online or not. And you will still be able to send and receive messages. However, your friends and contacts will not know whether you're actively online when you send them a message. When you turn off your Messenger active status, you will not be able to see whether your friends are active. To turn off your Messenger active status using mobile app. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile and log in to your account. After opening the Messenger app, tap on 3 horizontal lines from the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the settings icon to access your Messenger profile settings page. Within your profile settings, scroll down to find the active status option. Now, tap on the active status to manage your visibility settings. From here, locate the toggle switch next to the option Show when you're active, and tap on the toggle switch to disable your Messenger active status. Now, a pop-up window may appear, asking you to confirm your decision to hide active status. From various options, choose one, or you can choose the Until I Change It button to confirm the change. Your Messenger active status has now been successfully turned off. Now, friends and contacts will no longer be able to see whether you're online or not, allowing you to maintain privacy and control your online interactions. Remember, you can always re-enable your Messenger active status if you wish to do so by following the same steps and taping the switch button back to the on position. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.